Can we do it then?
Inside India's drone training school. The drone industry in India is growing fast. But before drones can transform industries, someone has to learn how to fly them the right way. Welcome to a drone training school. At the training facilities of Garuda Aerospace, students don't just learn to fly drones, they learn how to operate them professionally. The journey begins in the classroom, where trainees understand the basics of aviation, drone regulations, airspace rules, and safety procedures. Because flying a drone isn't just about controls, it's about responsibility in the air. After theory comes simulation training. Students practice real flight scenarios in controlled environments, learning how to respond to challenges before flying an actual drone. Then comes the most exciting part, hands-on flight training. Under expert supervision, trainees operate drones in open training fields, learning takeoff, navigation, precision landing, and mission planning. But the training goes beyond flying. Students also learn about drone applications in agriculture, mapping, inspections, filmmaking, and emergency response. By the time they finish their training, they're not just drone enthusiasts, they're certified professionals ready to work in India's growing drone ecosystem. Because the future of drones doesn't just depend on technology, it depends on the skilled pilots behind the controls.